Check out this hat rack for baseball caps I have here. Here's a look at it. So I get 2 of them in a box. Little side profile shot there. Now on the back here, you can see that it even has arrows pointing up, but it also has this adhesive here, so it'll stick to the wall, but you can also screw it in. So it comes with a couple of drywall inserts and some screws, and those go right there and right there. So 2 of those, 1 apiece for those. Okay, what I did is I took my level and set it right beside this thing. That way I can make sure it's straight up and down. And then I made a couple marks. So I made a couple marks where the holes are in case I want to drill them and use the drywall screws. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and put the adhesive on there. So I'm going to peel these off and then stick it on there. And I made a line right there too. So if I get those holes lined up perfectly, top and bottom, right there, and then I capture that line, I know I've got it perfectly straight up and down. All right, there we go. All right, I've got my holes marked already, as I showed you before. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and drill a hole there. Okay, now for putting the hats on there, it's real easy. There's the side profile, just put that on like that. Hangs up real nice, just like that. And we can go ahead and start stacking them right on there. All right, there it is with both hat racks installed. Really happy with these things.